you create value out of the data, and what should sort of like new students think about, when they're moving into the sports data field? Like what are some of these like, key stuff that they're like, how can they start building that foundation essentially if they're thinking about, okay, I want to like focus on sports data. I want to like try to like learn those mechanisms.
Yeah. That's something definitely that's blossomed, I think internationally, especially here in the States, is that you can now focus on sports data and sports data classes and its applications, which I think is fantastic. That's something when I was, coming up, you learned maybe through a macroeconomics class and then applied sports to it. But now you could actually study sports data and analytics and all that. And I think, as you know, it's something that's here. It's here to stay. What particular sports industry you're in and how you use it is different. But understanding how the data tells your story of your job or your industry or your sport, your event, whatever the case is, understanding how, what the data says and how it applies is cool. You could collect millions of rows of data in a spreadsheet, but if you don't know how to apply it, the athlete or the game or the match, it's a waste. So, I think, understanding again how it, the data is supposed to make a difference. So how are you going to actively apply it to your sector, I think is good.
And I'm